Fill 108 code indicates a lack of water pressure in the boiler. This code may be caused by low water pressure, damaged or disconnected wires, faulty pressure switches, improper expansion tank locations, or improperly disabling the diverting valve. With the boiler off, the system water pressure should be between 15 to 20 pounds. Start by raising the pressure to 20 pounds. The system may be equipped with a pressure-reducing fill valve, like the one in the video. Fill valves like the one shown may be manually adjusted to maintain 20 pounds. First, unscrew the quick fill lever at the top of the valve, then loosen the locking nut. Next, you'll remove the brass rod from the inside. Use a screwdriver to turn the adjustment screw clockwise to increase pressure or counterclockwise to decrease. Once the desired pressure is reached, reassemble the fill valve. Once the system is at pressure, it is recommended to turn off the water feed valve to prevent the potential for flooding. Follow the directions for the valve used in your system. If the problem persists after the pressure has been raised, start by removing power from the boiler. Then find the pressure switch located in the lower right-hand corner of the boiler just beneath the pump. Disconnect the wire harness with 3 brown wires and closely inspect it, ensuring that it is continuous all the way back to the control board. Remove the plug from the control board and inspect it carefully. Using a multimeter, test each of the 3 brown wires for continuity from end to end. If a bad wire is discovered, replace this harness. These connections can be tricky to test. Do the test several times before condemning the harness. Next, you can touch the 2 meter leads to the 2 switch contacts and test for continuity across the switch. With adequate water pressure, the switch should be closed. In systems that do not use the DHW connection, the diverting valve must be disabled in the heating position. To do this, power the boiler down, closely watch the valve, reset the power a second time, and this time when the valve hits the top of its stroke, remove the wire harness to prevent the valve from actuating. In some cases, the valve may become hydrolocked. If this is the case, it will make noise but not move. Lower the system pressure and then cycle the power. In all hydronic heating systems, the boiler must have a direct connection to the expansion tank. For TRX 150 and 199, 199 Combi, and all FTVN products, the expansion tank must always have access to the return fitting on the boiler. The return is on the right. For TRX 85, 120, 110 Combi, and 150 Combis, the return is also on the right and the supply is on the left. And in systems where the supply and return are not connected and pass directly through the heating system, the expansion tank must be located on the boiler supply.